Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to remodel a bathroom. We'll dive into the average expenses you can expect, explore the various factors that significantly impact your total project cost, and share some practical tips to help you manage your budget effectively. Whether you're planning a minor refresh or a complete overhaul, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you plan your dream bathroom without breaking the bank. On average, a mid-range bathroom remodel typically costs around $25,000. However, this can vary widely. For basic updates, you might spend between $3,000 and $7,000, while a luxury transformation could easily exceed $60,000. For 13 generally, you can expect to pay $70 to $250 per square foot. 6. It's important to note that labor often makes up a significant portion of your budget, accounting for 40 to 65% of the total cost. 6. Several key factors influence your bathroom remodeling costs. The size and existing layout of your bathroom play a major role, as larger spaces or changes to the floor plan increase expenses. 9. Your choice of materials, from standard to premium finishes, also significantly impacts the budget. Moving plumbing or electrical fixtures is one of the most expensive aspects, potentially adding thousands of dollars. 13. Don't forget to factor in costs for necessary permits and any unforeseen issues like water damage. 13. To keep your bathroom remodel on budget, strategic planning is essential. A major cost saver is to maintain your current layout, avoiding expensive plumbing and electrical reconfigurations. 15. Consider refinishing your bathtub or vanity rather than replacing them, which offers a fresh look for less. 11. Choosing standard-sized fixtures and exploring cost-effective material alternatives can also reduce expenses. 14. Always plan thoroughly, gather multiple quotes, and tackle minor tasks yourself if you're comfortable. 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.